What's going on, everybody? Michael Walter here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video, strictly for you DIY types, I'm going to show you how to trim in a room of carpet after you've already stretched it on and locked it on, how to trim it in with your razor knife and tuck it in to get the finished product. So stay tuned, here we go. So in the last video I showed how to stretch it on using a knee kicker, a stair tool, and a razor knife to cut the corners. Now in this one I'm going to show you with only a razor knife how to trim and then tuck the carpet, because if you're a DIY type, there's no way you want to go out and spend $50 on a wall trimmer you're going to use once or twice. So make a small slice going straight down. Actually, I'll slide over so you can see it better. Make a slice going straight down, and then we'll make one over here just to avoid any pressure. Now let me slide this in a little bit here. We're going to fold it back, and this actually has a shoe molding, quarter round molding, and we're going to trim. I'll make sure the camera catches it. We're going to trim dangerously close to that so you can see what we have to tuck, just enough to get pinched in there. So if you cut it too hefty, it's not going to tuck right and it's look like trash. So you want to trim it just so you have enough to tuck in there. I'll lob this off. Slide the camera in so you can get some close-ups on this. You actually got me cutting with my left hand, and I'm not a lefty. I want to make sure you can see what's going on here. And then just tuck it in. Now you could use a stair tool or a hook knife to tuck it in, but boom, there's your final product there. So all you want to do is go around the room like that. Take your time if you're new to this. Cut really close to the shoe molding. I'll also show you how to trim up to a standard baseboard with just a knife and then a tuck knife or a stair tool, so you can get you know how to handle it either way, whether you have shoe molding in your house or just regular baseboards. Thank you so much for tuning into this, and I'll catch you on the next video.